What's up guys? I'm going to show you a quick little tutorial on how to get some files onto your USB flash drive or a memory stick so you can get help hacking someone, which is very easy to do. So first what you want to do is open up your web browser and go to usbhacks.com. After there, on the sidebar, on the left sidebar, go to exploit tools and go to USB Switchblade. Download original no U3 or auto run. Save it wherever you want. You could close your web browser if you want, doesn't really matter. Now take the file and use a extractor like 7-zip and extract it, the files. After you do, you open up, I'm using a Lexar removable drive, flash drive, 1 gig. So what you want to do is just open up PC info. Just take all of these and copy them. Then go into your flash drive, the root drive, into the root of it and paste. After it's done, I'm going to check out my flash drive right now so I can show you. Alright, so once it's in there, in your flash drive or memory stick, just take out the flash drive, put it back in, into any computer, your friends, schools, doesn't really matter, be creative. Now, when it asks you this, select open files on folder using the program provided on the device, click OK. And then your folder should come up for your flash drive. And now go to dump and now this is my username on the computer, and open it and look at all that info. If your friend has IM clients, it'll show you the username, the password. It'll show you your Windows product key, the network adapter you're using, open ports, that's very good if you want to hack, Outlook, I don't know, history, Mozilla cookies if you use Mozilla. Very good program. So hope you enjoyed it. Have fun.